taking the Luna Ultra for a spin with the X4 Air. This morning sun is coming up very early this morning. The canal is looking beautiful. Grass is looking good after the rain. And we're checking the greens, the blues, the sky color, and just the two together. See how they work out. Very beautiful morning. It's supposed to be ultra high heat today, up to possibly feels like 107. So I needed to get out here early. Let's spin around and check out the sun. We're going to look straight into the sun here. Very bright on my eyes. Let me do a return here. Spin around. And you can see that I am in the sun completely. Sky looks blue on the screen, and there's no filters. So I don't have any filters, backlit with the sky to my back. And you can see how the Luna Ultra handles the highlights and the shadows. And I believe I'm on standard mode. Now there's a full, does pretty well, no silhouette. You can actually see the features and the bright sun in the background with no neutral density filters. Now the palm trees look beautiful right there. And with the morning sun, it's all beautiful. Let me switch around. And now we're going to walk into the sun. I'll bring it up a little bit. Get that palm tree in there. And let's see what that looks like. Now normally it would be better to have a neutral density filter on there. This would be extreme lens flare. This would be the time when you would get ghosting on the lens and lens flaring. I can't see any of that on the small screen, and I am got the sun directly in my eyes. And it looks good on the screen. Canal looks nice, beautiful. Let's pan around. And that looks absolutely gorgeous this morning. Now I'm liking the Luna Ultra. Look at the colors. They're looking very vibrant. The sky looks vibrant. And I don't believe, I'll have to check later and see what setting I was on, but I believe I'm on standard color. And we're using the Insta360 Air microphone, the small $35 one. So hopefully that sounds good. Hopefully you picked up the wildlife. The wildlife is making lots of sounds out here this morning. Here comes an ibis. Let me see if I can zoom in on him. Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Let's see. Right there. Now that's 7.6 zoom. And that looks beautiful on the screen with the morning light. And we'll see what the X4 Air looks like too. I'll show you. There he goes, flying away.